You search for how to locate the spam folder in Outlook Microsoft. In Microsoft Outlook, that folder is called junk email, not spam, and it sits in the left folder pane. I'm on Outlook on the web right now, and the mail view is already open. If Outlook starts in Calendar or Contacts instead of Mail, click the Mail icon in the far left rail. That switches the main view to your mailbox and opens the folder list on the left. Now look at that left-hand folder pane. At the top is your account name, then the Favorites section, then the Mail folders. Scroll down the list past Inbox, Drafts, Sent Items, and Deleted Items. The folder list has its own scroll bar, so keep your mouse inside that pane while you scroll. You don't need to click any of those folders. Keep scrolling until Junk Email appears, with a small circle and slash icon next to it. Click Junk Email once. The folder highlights and the main pane switches to that folder. You'll see any messages Outlook automatically flagged, or an empty folder message if nothing has been caught recently. People often miss this because they're looking for a folder actually labeled spam, but Outlook calls it junk email. If you don't see junk email in that list, the folder might be hidden. At the bottom of the folder pane, there's a More link when Outlook has extra folders to show. Click More, and the pane expands to reveal the rest of the list, with junk email below your other folders. If the entire left pane is collapsed instead, click the 3 horizontal lines at the top left corner first. That opens the folder list, and then you scroll down to junk email the same way. If you're on the desktop app, the same folder sits in the left pane also below Sent Items, so the location matches. While you're inside junk email, check the messages before you delete anything. Outlook's filter sometimes catches a legitimate confirmation or invoice. If you spot one, open it and click the Not Junk button at the top of the message. Outlook moves it back to Inbox and uses that action to treat that sender differently next time. To stop a sender from landing in junk again, add them to your saved senders, click the gear icon in the top right, choose Mail, then Junk Email. In that panel, there's a Safe Senders and Domains list. Type the sender address there and click Add. Outlook will now let their mail through to your inbox. To clear the folder manually, right-click Junk Email in the left pane and choose Empty Folder. It deletes everything without a confirmation, so I only do that after I've checked for false positives. If that got you to the right folder, give the video a like, subscribe for more Outlook walkthroughs, and leave a comment saying this was helpful. Comments are what push this to other people looking for the same thing.